Hello friends, today we are looking at how to install 3-in-1 crash guard on the Vida VX2 scooter. First step, open the back seat and remove stock screws. Take out the back carrier from the scooter. Remove the rear support screws and take out the rear support. Remove screws nearby foot, rest on both sides. This is back crash guard. It's developed by HT Exhaust Company. FIT, the back crash guard, correct place on the scooter and tighten with screws. Replace the rear support on the scooter and tighten with screws. Replace back carrier on the scooter and tighten with screws. This is footrest. It's developed by HT Exhaust Company. Fit the footrest, correct place and tighten with screws. Remove screws and bolts on the front of scooter. This is front crash guard. It's developed by H Exhaust Company. Fit the front crash guard correct place and tighten with screws. Similarly, install the front crash guard on the other side. Remove front hanger hook from the scooter. This is crash guard fitting. It's used for tight catch of both crash guard Fit the crash guard fitting correct place and tighten with screws. This is slider. It's used for avoided more scratches on the scooter. Fit the slider correct place and tighten with screws on both sides. We installed 3-in-1 crash guard on the Vida VX2 scooter.